Backcountry for Life Survival Kit. These are my emergency kit contents that I will be fitting into this tin. It's a Altoids tin. Right here I've already included a razor blade that I've taped to the lid. But I have reflective tape. This is also just a piece of KT tape, little packet of sunscreen, insect repellent, some string that comes out of paracord. This is a compressed wipe, so when you get it wet, it will expand into a big wipe. Here I have Katadyn Micropur MP1 tablets. There's 2 tablets. Each tablet can treat 1 liter of water. You have to let that sit for 4 hours before you can drink it. Remember, this is just an emergency kit. Some triple antibiotic, some yarn, thread. I also have a piece of lighter kindling, I don't know what you call this. It's kind of like a compressed fibers, but when you light it, it lights really quickly. Some butterfly bandages, a couple of regular bandages. I have some small lead weights with a variety of hook sizes. Also, right here is a little lead pencil tip that can kind of write on anything. Maybe not anything, but a lot of things. So I use that in case I have to leave notes of any kind. I can write it on the back of the tape, any of this paper material. This is just for a little candle holder for some wax or fuel, which I have right here. This is a fuel tab from Expedition Fuel. It puts off a lot of heat. It will run for probably 15 minutes, but I could also shave off some pieces if I need to start a fire, or I could use it as a candle. I have some wire here for snares or having to tie something up, a safety pin, several different sizes of needles. I also have a lens to start a fire with, a small scroll cut wood saw that I can use to start a fire with this ferro rod, and also if I need to I can wrap something around there and saw. What's not in here is my pocket knife, which I'll always have with me anyway, so that's not here, but it's a small backup, as well as a razor blade. Waterproof matches or light anywhere matches. This is a compass, one of the smallest compasses I've ever found or seen, but essentially you just put it in a pot of water and it'll eventually mark where north is. And then I also have a small mirror. And I've kind of sandpapered off the top of this to ensure that I could use it as maybe a signal of some sort. And the tin can also be used for fire or holding water, whatever it needs to be. So this is my emergency kit that I'm going to pack into this small tin. All right, let's get this packing. that. So then what I'll do is I'll seal this all up with some waterproof tape so the lid stays shut, but I'll be able to use this. I could also rearrange it a little bit, but there's some room. I could still put some things inside of this tin if I needed to, some more needles or hooks or medicine. That's it. More than 10 essentials. Emergency kit.